The Montcalm Honest Review. Look before you search for hotel. Most people assume luxury hotels are all about glamour, but the Montcalm focuses on comfort, service, and location in London's competitive hotel scene. The Montcalm offers modern rooms, spa facilities, multiple dining options, and event spaces. One standout feature is its central location, close to major attractions, business districts, and transport links, making it ideal for both business and leisure travelers. Most people get this wrong. They assume high-end hotels automatically guarantee value. The surprising truth is, while the Montcalm provides excellent service and amenities, room rates can be high during peak periods. Booking early or during promotions can make a significant difference. Another advantage is attention to detail. Rooms are spacious with contemporary design. The spa offers relaxing treatments, and restaurants serve high-quality cuisine. Staff are professional and responsive, enhancing the overall experience. However, there are considerations. Some guests note that certain rooms may face street noise, and amenities vary between locations if booking the Montcalm in different cities. In conclusion, the Montcalm is perfect for travelers seeking a luxurious stay with convenient location and excellent service. Its combination of comfort, amenities, and central location makes it a reliable choice for London visitors. Subscribe for more honest hotel reviews before booking your next stay.